Cardano generally is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that in a real sense has a truly present worth of $0.248388 and a market capitalization of $8,717,983,526. Which fundamentally is very critical. Digital currencies have most certainly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a by and large significant manner. These days, it's a resource class that explicitly is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, which for the most part is very huge. Some for the most part huge venture banks even explicitly gain Cardano and really other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, now is the ideal time to especially uncover our short, mid and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that generally depend on the readings of our genuinely novel crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market feeling and in a real sense, expect where in which the market means to go in a huge manner. In fact, at this point, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is $0.248388, while the coin right now essentially winds up at 8th spot in the by and large in general, most certainly positioning in a significant manner. The said truly positioning by and large is assessed based on the resource's certainly present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its fundamentally current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to truly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading, which generally is genuinely critical. On September 12, the cost of Cardano truly was at $0.241605 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change basically added up to 0.12%, which is very huge. 7 days prior, on September 6, ADA basically was esteemed at $0.257610, which fundamentally intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has essentially changed by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on August 13, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.289409, hence, the coin in a real sense has made a 14.17% move to generally arrive at its truly present standings. The examination of market capitalization fundamentally conveys most certainly equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to sort of decide the exceptionally by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Changes in market capitalization genuinely sure or genuinely negative in a real sense are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resources truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both short and in every way that really matters. Long-haul points of view. This specific measurement sort of is additionally used to check the strength of Cardano, corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To decide the kind of current market capitalization of ADA, we increase the circling supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be made sense of later by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which fundamentally is very critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $8,717,983,526, which frames the reason for genuinely present positioning in a real sense was referenced before in an unpretentious manner. Recently, on September 12, ADA really had a market capitalization of $8,479,272,280 when, or so the basically thought. Keep going week, on September 6, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $9,037,415,112 in a very huge manner. A month prior, on August 13, the market worth of Cardano really was evaluated to explicitly be $10,140,279 kind of 743. Total stockpile considers the quantity of coins that basically have previously been created but different means, for example through mining in a quite huge way. These digital currencies can basically be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, which most certainly is very critical. This measurement likewise calculates the coins that certainly have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate in a sort of large manner. At this point, the all-out supply of Cardano truly is laid out at 36,167,977,941 ADA. Lastly, the coursing supply for the most part is utilized to compute the market capitalization and truly evaluate the coins really current remaining in the positions. It means the in every practical sense, generally speaking measure of ADA, that in a real sense is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that fundamentally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put, unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which is genuinely critical. It's by and large explicitly accepted that digital currencies that really have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million generally are the most reasonable for sort of long-haul speculation, since they sort of are probably going to see the value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, Cardano has a coursing supply of 35,098,185,063 coins incredibly. Likewise, in every practical sense, high exchanging volume for the most part features that the liquidity by and large is streaming into that market, which shows the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees exceptionally smooth execution of exchanges and in every practical sense, significant way. Nonetheless, it should be by and large noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that especially much reasonable for making in every practical sense long-haul cost expectations. However, it generally gives important knowledge into the sort of current market circumstance. Subsequently, truly is essential for short and mid-term cost conjectures fundamentally completed by our exclusive calculation in a truly significant manner. A brilliant digital currency financial backer mustn't ignore this genuinely metric while picking passage or leave point. The guideline here is to especially get into the activity when the volume by and large begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the solidification region, and generally forsake the boat. Once the volume starts to drop after an impressive convention, it's even certainly better assuming that those cost moves basically occur in the areas that basically match with generally especially high volume, which explicitly are typically shown through tall bars on the genuinely relating pointer that truly is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals in an unpretentious way. Taking care of that, how about we audit the exchanging volume recorded on the Cardano market throughout the accompanying time periods, showing how presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and in every way that really matters, long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that depend on the readings of our kind of exceptional crypto unpredictability file that in every practical sense assists us with check